Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade. Carolina Lizon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Monday, December 19th of 2011, and as usual, we are looking at the Q's daily chart. And I do really apologize for not being able to be here with you last week. I was in the air actually for about 2 days, and I was flying to Europe, and that's where I'm at right now. I am spending my the holiday season in here in Europe, and I was sleeping for 2 days trying to get used to the time change, but I'm back, and I'm just so excited to be here again with you to help you with some technical analysis. That's what we like to do, right? Yeah. So let's take a look at our chart, and let's analyze it here a little bit. And let's go over some things that we missed last week. And as you can see, we are still inside that big triangle that you see here on this chart between this area of resistance right here, the black trend line, and that lower area of support down here in black as well. And then also we are in a really nice downtrend between those two areas of support and resistance that you see here in black as well. That upper area of resistance and that lower area of support right here. And as you can see, we kept tagging that upper area of resistance here so many times. We pulled back down to the 200-day moving average, bounce back up, touch that area of resistance here again, form that little M formation, which is a bearish formation, and we finally broke below all major moving averages. The first one here in red, which is the 50-day moving average. The next one down here in green is the 8 moving average, my favorite. And then the next one down below here in blue, which is the 200-day moving average. We broke through it on a pretty significant volume with the MACD confirmation below all of them. So we are definitely bearish right now according to all major moving averages, because we are way below them, breaking through all areas of support on the way down. Here we formed a little base, and then we broke out of that base here today, and then we closed way below that area of support right here, the 54.65. And now, as you can see, we are really close to that lower area support in black, which is at about the 54.03 mark that you see here in black. So watch that area here really closely tomorrow, because that could be a significant area of support. If not, then we can continue lower to that next area of support down here, the 53.77, and then once this one is broken, we could continue down to that next area of support on our way down here at about 53.65. So you have all areas of support down here to watch tomorrow and the rest of this week. So at least we have some things to look for and to keep our eye on. So pay close attention to all of them, because they're really important. But just in case if we get a little bit of a bounce, we need to really pay close attention to that 55.33 mark, as well as the 8 moving average, which is here at the 55.51 mark. So that is all that I see here for you for today on this chart. And check this out. Let's take a look at the MACD. The MACD is pointing lower. Actually, it's slowing down a bit, but it's still pointing lower. We are way below the zero line, which means that we are in a bearish territory, which is a pretty nice confirmation. Volume is nice. We are trading on a pretty high volume. That's really nice, and we do have another confirmation here with the volume. So pay close attention to the MACD as well, because that is a very nice confirmation. Every time we see the MACD confirming anything that's happening on the chart, that is a really nice sign. And then pay close attention to the volume as well. All right, so safe trading to all of you out there, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.